Namaskar, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you from class 9, subject OPT Maths. Topic is function. So, how to define function? Before function, you must know about the order pair, Cartesian product, and relation. Then you can define the relation. My previous video I have already explained these terms. Today I am going to explain only function. So, how to define function or relation? Define from A to B. Then all elements of set A mapped with unique element of set B is called a function. So when you listen definition, then like very typical. So first I am going to write here, then I will explain to you. Okay, look at the board. A relation defined from A to B is said to be a function if every element of set A has unique image of set B. It is denoted by F map to A to B. Okay, it means if you have a set A having element X, another element is set B given element 1. Here is the F. And X mapped to Y, the image of X is Y. Therefore, how to Fx Fx is equal to Y, and F map A to B. It is our complete definition. But how to differentiate relation and function? So I am going to take some examples, then explain what is the meaning of unique image. What is the meaning of unique image? It is important things. If it is not satisfied that condition, then it is not a function. So what is? Let me one by one examples. If I am drawing a relation, here is the relation A. 1, 2, 3. Another set is B. Result 2, 4. So, if any relation, so this relation is a function or not, according to our definition. 1 map to 2 and 2 map to 4. So, our definition saying all element of set A, all element, every element or all element both are same. Every element of set set A. Every element of set A. So here is the how element of set A? 1, 2 and 3 has unique image of set B. Has unique image of set B. It means every element of set A must be mapped with. So 1 map to 2, 2 map to 4, but 3 have no image. 1 having image is 2, 2 has image is 4, but 3 has no image. Therefore, it is not a function. Is that clear? Again, other examples. There is the A, there is the B, one map to 2, 2 map to 4, and 6. Okay. This is a relation. So it is a function or not, I am going to again explain it. According to Sen, every element of set A has unique image of set B. So image of 1 is 2. Image of 2 is 4. And again image of 2 is 6. So it is not possible. Image of 2 according to our arrow diagram, image of 2 is 4 as well as 6. So any person, anyone cannot be a 2 image at a time. If any person cannot be present at a time in a 2 place. If you are present at home, that time you cannot present at school. If you are present same time at school, that you cannot present at home. So any object cannot be 2 images in same time. So also it is a not a function because here is the 2 have a 2 images. So it is not a function. If that clear, it is a relation, but it is not a function. Both are not satisfied our definition. Our definition is all element of set A mapped with unique element of set B. The unique means having only one image. So I am taking other examples. This example. 1 map to 2, image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 4, and image of 3 is 6. It is satisfied our definition. Every element or all element of A have a unique element of set B. 1 have only one image is 2, 2 has only one image is 4, and 3 has only one image is 6. I am going to another arrow diagram, but not be confused. Here is the A, here is the B. 1, 2, and here is the 3. 1 map to 3, maybe, so it is a function. And look at it is a function or not. 1 map to 3, it means image of 1 is 3, and 2 map to 3, and image of 2 is also 3. So first every element of set A participate mapping, Second condition, has unique image of set B. So having unique image of set B, also one have one image is a 3 and two have also one image is 3. Maybe here is a, in your mind some confusion are created. Before I am giving examples, this example like this: A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 also, 1, 3, 2, 4, and 1, 4. This will be different. Here is the one has two image. When single element have single element, that is a function. Here is the one have two image. One has 3 and one has 4. But here is the no any element having two image. Every element have a two separately one image. The one have a 3 and two has a also 3 image. Just I am going to give an example. Just like this. One person cannot be present in two places. One person cannot be present in two places. One object cannot be or two images. But in a one place you cannot be present in two images. For example, at school, two persons may be present. They can present same place. So place is 3, image of 1 is 3 and 2 are 3. So it means it is a function. Is that clear? So little difference between this and this. It is not a function because one have two images, but there is no need no one element having two elements. Every element have only one image. Is that clear in your mind? If every element have one image, it means function. If any other elements have two images, it is not a function. Is that clear? Why it is not a function? Here one have a two images. One map to 3 and one map to 4. Is that clear? Now, second is domain range of the function. Okay, I am going to explain. The set A and set B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 map to 4, 2 map to 5, 3 map to 6. It is a function. Maybe in your mind it is a function or not, because 7 have no pre-image. 7 not mapped with any element of set A. So let me look at the definition. Definition is not defined according to B. Our definition defined according to A. So our definition said our relation defined from A to B is said to be a function if every element of set A. Look at here. Every element of set A, 1, 2 and 3 has unique image. Unique image means one map with only one image, one element of B. The one map with only one element of B. 2 map only one element of B. And 3 map only one element of 6. Is that clear? So domain means how to write domain? So not defined according to B. Your function defined according to A. So 7 not mapped with any element of set A, but it is a function. So domain, all element of set A is called the domain. The domain of F is equal to 1, 2, 3. All element of set A is called a domain. All element of set A is called. All element of set A is 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Codomain. All element of set B is called a codomain. All element of set B is 4, 5, 6 and 7. Range of F. This one, listen carefully. All element of set B mapped with set A is called a range. Which element of B participating in a mapping? Only 4, only 5 and only 6. 4, 5 and 6 are participating in a mapping. 7 is not participating in mapping. So it is not a range. So all elements of set B which are mapped with set A is called a range of the function. It means only 4, 5 and 6 is our range. Is that clear? And how to write function? F is equal to, okay, in our pair, F is equal to, in our pair, 1 map to 4. 1, 2 map to 5 and 3 map to 6. Is that clear? So domain, codomain and range of the function. And another thing, and this last one I will explain you. How to write? Here is the set A. Here is the set B. Here is the function x, y, z, a, b, c. X map to A, Z map to B, and Y map to C. So how to write function? F x is equal to A. F x is equal to A. F y is equal to C. F y is equal to C. F z is equal to B. Okay. Again I am saying, if the function outright f x is equal to A, f y is equal to C, and f z is equal to B. So it is a other how to write the function. Again, one, two, three, 5, 7 is the A, B is the function defined from A to B. 1 to 3, 2 to 5, and 3 to 7. So how to write? F1 is equal to 3. F2 is equal to 5. F3 is equal to 7. Is that clear? And which are belongs to set A? Look at here. Here is the set A and here is the set B. This is the function here. Domain belongs to set A. Pre-image belongs to set A. X is belongs to set A. Here is the range, image, and Y. Is that clear? means element of set A. X means element of set A. And also range means element of set B. Image means element of set B. Y means element of set B. And Fx means also element of set B. Why both are equal? Just before you see, I write there Fx is equal to Y. In the definition of function, I am written there Fx is equal to Y. So these are related to the function. I hope you understand. Thank you all of you.